Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about ditching out this old crummy bank and then bringing in this new hot bank, SoFi, that I think you're going to be very interested in. So I recently switched from Bank of America over to SoFi, and in this video, I'm just going to give you my thoughts and opinions and experiences on that process and what I think about this new bank. And just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not being paid by any bank or SoFi in any form. This is completely my own opinion, and hopefully it might help somebody along the way. Now, a little background if you've never heard of SoFi. The full name is actually Social Financial, and they started back in 2013-14 time period, and they mainly only did student loans, and then they expanded into personal loans, mortgages, and then just pretty progressively expanding and really blowing up over the last few years. They're a full-fledged bank now, offering checking, savings, investing, you name it. They have a huge line of different products and services, and they work with a lot of other organizations and companies. SoFi is a fintech company, and it's an online only bank. If you've never heard of that, that means there's no brick and mortar or branches that you can walk into to have that face-to-face interaction or get services that you need. You'll have to use the internet to do anything banking related. Now, that doesn't mean you won't be able to deposit cash into your bank account. They have a huge network of ATMs and other banks that they partner with that you can go and deposit money into your account if you need to. And of course, you can still do deposits through mobile deposits by taking a picture like most other popular banks. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would I make this change to SoFi since I've been with Bank of America for like over a decade? No, I'm like, seriously, like I haven't had another bank since I was like probably a teenager. I've been with them for many years. Now, there's a couple different reasons. One of them being the amount of fees that they charge is insane. They really do punish their banking customers, and I'm just kind of sick of it. They would charge fees for like any kind of ATM that I would use, and they would charge you $3-4 at a time. And they would charge fees for like account thresholds if you fell below a certain level. And lastly, it's a big mega corp bank, and they have done some scammy and shady things to customers over the last few years. It's messed up. I'm telling you, look it up, or I'll drop it in the description if you don't believe me. I just felt like I was being punished more than rewarded by being one of their banking customers. And to be honest with you, I was just sick of it. And that's one of the reasons why I was drawn to SoFi. It seems like they really tried to reward their customers. Now I want to go over the process and what you should be aware of if you do decide to switch to SoFi. Opening an account is very simple. You go to the website, you'll need to be 18 years of age, a valid ID, fill in all the information, and then if everything goes well, you should have a brand new account within 24 hours. There's no account minimums. You don't need to transfer money in immediately to open up that account. Once my account was up and running, I was able to add my Bank of America account so I can start sending money easily and quickly. It's a really simple, fast process, and they make it really seamless. Now, that's all you really need to get started with SoFi, but then after that point is another story. There's a couple small drawbacks that you should be aware of if you're going to be banking with SoFi. Now, the first thing is you're going to need to be patient to receive your physical debit card. It can take up to 7 to 10 business days before you receive it in the mail. However, they do allow you to add it to a digital wallet so you can start using your smart device in order to make payments. Another thing I didn't like is you can only set up a 4-digit PIN on the debit card. Most banks let you do up to 6 or even 8, I think. I'm not sure why they only let you do 4. I just feel like 6 is more secure, but that could be my own personal opinion, but I didn't like that. Also, the multi-factor authentication methods are a little bit lacking. They only offer one form that I saw through a text message. So essentially they just send you a text of the code for you to log in. I would like to see integration with the authentication apps like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or even better, a hardware token. And one of the last things is the integration with other banks. For instance, I was trying to add SoFi to one of my investment accounts, and they have a way to like instantly verify and authenticate that bank so you can start using it and transfer money. For some reason, it couldn't authenticate it instantly. Not the end of the world, just took a little bit longer on a manual process. So just an FYI on that. What I meant by being rewarded by SoFi, for instance, if you set up direct deposit on your checking, you unlock a bunch of different benefits. One being you'll earn up to 3.75% on your savings and 2.5% on your checking. And that blows a lot of those mega banks out of the water because most of them are sub 1% or even lower. They don't give you any interest on any of the money you have on those accounts. And you can earn double points with certain transactions and purchases. Another really good benefit is you can get your paychecks up to 2 days earlier than you normally would. I don't know about you, but I definitely like getting my money as soon as possible. So kudos, SoFi. I also have the Android version of the app, and so far I don't have any issues with it. It does what it needs to. Pretty straightforward, really easy to navigate. I will say if you're really into investing and a day trader, then this is definitely not for you. This is a really casual investing platform. Not a lot of tools there, but you can easily invest, and there's also cryptocurrency and all that stuff available. Now, if you do care what your cards look and feel like, I will briefly say plastic, a little flimsy-ish, pretty much identical to be honest with you, except the colors and stuff like that. However, I do like the SoFi white and blue, kind of over the red. So overall, with SoFi's process and bank and everything they have to offer, I'm very happy with it, and I'm actually really excited to be using SoFi moving forward. I started closing my Bank of America account, so bye, Felicia. I also opened up their credit card because they offer 3% cash back for the first 12 months. So I plan on paying for most of my bills with this card and then getting that cash back. So really excited to be doing that. There's currently a promotion going on that ends on March 31st, 2023. If you open up a new account and set up direct deposit, they will pay you up to $250 depending on how much you deposit. That sounds like a pretty good deal to me. Who doesn't want $250? That's gonna wrap up this video, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button, consider subscribing, share this video with your friends or family or anyone else who's looking for a new bank. Drop some comments and let me know what you think about SoFi or these new online banks. I'll also put some links in the description if you want to learn more about SoFi or if you want to sign up. If you use my link, you'll get a bonus, I'll get a little bonus. It's a win-win. You can't go wrong. I'm out of here, everybody. I'll catch you in the next one.